An introvert can communicate actively. Hello Shape, I hope you're doing well today. In today's video I want to share with you introverts communication. Introverts active communication. Well, how to actually communicate actively as an introvert? Well, I want to break it down into 7 steps, but before I want to break it down to the 7 steps, actually before I was also introvert. I was bullied for more than 15 years, and what eventually happened is I have actually lost the trust into myself, and all the people who were there is actually saying you have to communicate more. However, as I have read from Paul Wozniak, that you cannot not communicate. You cannot not communicate, and this is so true. So if you want to communicate more actively, I want to break it down in 7 steps. So the first step, and a very easy step that you can always do, is normal what? Yes, eye contact. Try to do an eye contact. If you got the eye contact down, then I want you to by the subconscious report. The subconscious report by miming the other people who you want to actually get the communication to. So you do actually the same things that he does, like when he's leaning forward, you're leaning forward and you're doing it. And when you build the subconscious report, the human being is actually, his core is recognizing it, not his eyes but his core, okay? The third thing is you just smile, okay? You just smile towards the person. Just smile, okay? The fourth thing, you can go and try to actually wave your hand. I mean, it's kind of creepy, but when you smile, you build a subconscious report, you can actually wave your hand. After you have waved your hand, what you can to simply say hello. You have waved your hand, you say hello, and afterwards, when you go to the person and say hello, you are using the Lord formula. If you don't know the Lord formula, here's this video, you can actually check this out. And after you use the Lord formula, what you want to do then is to communicate. During communication, always be careful that your messages and your chats are ending with a question, to having an open loop, to actually make this communication continue. Sorry Shaper, tell me what's number 1 thing you've picked up so far. I do upload every single day, so make sure the notification and subscribe button. Also, share with your loved ones, because I believe sharing is caring. And give me a like if you got some value from it. And it's always Shaper. Do not let yourself, and see your question now.